Pag-ina, dili lagi excited ang mga kids. Hi! Hello!
May I request everybody to please settle down for our prayer to be followed by the singing of the national anthem and UN hymn. The OJT is one of the major indication nga doon nagyudta sa ato ang ginakabot nga pangandoy. As we proceed to the next part of our program, ato usab taga-agi gayon nga mapasidunggan ug mapasalamatan ang ato ang mga program heads. So failure to attend the pre-deployment orientation basically would mean nga dili mo makaproceed sa inyong on-the-job training. So,
Ladies and gentlemen, kids, parents, and to everyone who is here this afternoon, welcome to Christmas Kitty Fest 2025. Everybody ko sa ating lahat, and welcome to our Neo Sublime! Another partner and sponsor, we have Daily Delight Move. Is Spellbinded. I am your host, your very own Miss Galinda of the Carnival. And today, we will defy gravity together with fun, laughter, and a cauldron full of surprises.